Plant foods are packed with a plethora of compounds known for their cancer-fighting properties. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a powerful way to reduce your risk of cancer. While no single food can guarantee immunity from cancer, a balanced diet rich in plant-based foods can play a crucial role in prevention and overall health. Here are 6 plant foods to include in your diet for their cancer-fighting potential. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are rich sources of phytochemicals, including sulforaphane, which have been linked to cancer prevention. These compounds help the body detoxify carcinogens and reduce inflammation. Moreover, they may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and stimulate their self-destruction. Incorporate these vegetables into your meals as salads, stir-fries, or roasted side dishes to harness their cancer-fighting benefits. 2. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are loaded with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and anthocyanins. These antioxidants protect cells from oxidative damage and inflammation, which are key contributors to cancer development. Berries are also rich in fiber, which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Include a variety of berries in your diet, whether in smoothies, yogurt, or as a topping for oatmeal. 3. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses. They contain a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including folate and carotenoids. Folate is crucial for DNA repair and synthesis, while carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Regularly incorporating leafy greens into your meal supports overall health and may reduce cancer risk. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the spread of tumors. To enhance the absorption of curcumin, it's recommended to consume turmeric with black pepper. You can add turmeric to soups, stews, and curries to infuse your meals with this powerful anti-cancer spice. 5. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber. They contain various phytochemicals, such as saponins and flavonoids, which have been associated with cancer prevention. Fiber-rich legumes support digestive health and may help lower the risk of colorectal cancer. You can incorporate legumes into your diet in soups, salads, or as a protein source in vegetarian and vegan dishes. 6. Garlic. Garlic has been recognized for its health benefits for centuries, and it is often praised for its potential to prevent cancer. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Allicin may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as stomach and colorectal cancer. To maximize its benefits, it's best to crush or chop garlic and allow it to sit for a few minutes before cooking or consuming it. Incorporating these plant foods into your daily diet can help reduce your risk of cancer by providing essential nutrients, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. However, it's important to remember that while diet plays a crucial role in cancer prevention, it is just one aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Other factors, such as regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, also contribute significantly to cancer risk reduction. To reap the full benefits of these cancer-fighting plant foods, aim for a balanced diet that includes a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods. Also, consider consulting with a healthcare professional or nutritionist to create a personalized diet plan that suits your specific health needs and goals. By making informed food choices and embracing a healthy lifestyle, you can take proactive steps to protect yourself from the risk of cancer and promote overall well-being.